Hi, welcome to the key clinical messages for the COVID incident on Tuesday the 7th of April 2020. My name's Dan Richter. Firstly, consultants and doctors have access to both Bournemouth and Poole radiology requesting panels on ICE. However, incidents have occurred with doctors requesting examinations from the wrong hospital, so please do set your default landing panel in ICE to the hospital you're requesting from at the start of each shift or session. For example, if you're working from Bournemouth, open the Bournemouth Radiology tab and then on the left-hand panel select Set as Default Panel. Secondly, we are now able to run some limited COVID-19 testing within Dorset. This capacity is helping us process staff samples and should help improve turnaround times associated with these samples. The staff tests will be allocated according to local protocol and will be directed by senior clinicians in each trust. Please don't contact the laboratory directly. If you have questions or comments, please speak to your line manager or clinical director. You will be contacted by the swabbing team for those staff who are identified as needing a priority test. Face masks. Masks are not to be worn in general areas such as corridors unless staff are transporting a patient or transiting between two clinical areas. They're also not to be worn in the restaurant or hospital shops, and they're not to be pulled down around the neck or pushed up on top of the head. We do need to be leading by example with the social distancing advice, and so please do keep 2 meters away from your colleagues where possible. Please ensure you respect this, especially when queuing in the restaurants and when around the lake at lunchtimes. Where a patient has died, please can wards make porters aware of the patient's COVID-19 status before the porters arrive to collect the deceased person. And finally, we are moving to 7-day cover for discharge coordinators on the wards as from today. That's today's key messages. Thank you.